Hey crew, what's going on? My off-white dunks arrived. Let's check out what lot this is, and then we'll also check out first week of Supreme item that I grabbed, and then another crossover Travis Scott merch item, pants this time.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit.
So I got home from work, you know, plugging away those hours, walking away to the post office, and FedEx dropped off my box. They did a great job of not opening the packaging at all. Nike didn't put any special tape or anything on here. Really kind of a secretive box, sort of, except for this label here that talks about the product a little bit. I mean, it doesn't really tell you what's in there, but I have no clue what number these are. They don't tell you on the order. They could be anything. You never know. So I'm just trying to open up this cardboard right here. It's kind of glued down pretty well. Okay, hey, look at that. We opened up the side with the label on there. You get to see that there's a hole in the cardboard, but then there's like plastic there. You can already see that they are not the suede leather. That's kind of sad. I was really hoping for that, but still, look. Got that great off-white box. The weird DHL colored off-white paper, or the yellow paper, the really mustardy yellow whatnot. And then this is just glossy coating on top of this print of the duct tape. So not actually any sort of tape on there at all, just a print. And yeah, we have off-white on here. You can barely read that, and this green stuff. And a little bit more information over here on the box. Got some more info down there in the corner. All right, here we go. Guess I just gotta do it, right? Open them up. And our colors. Ooh, hey, not terrible. We've got some burgundy and some bright pink, some lime green. This is number 8 of 50. On here you do have canvas underneath. All of this white is all canvas. And then the gray is, on this pair it's milled leather. Some of them were suede, which would have been amazing, but I'm not cool like that. I'm not lucky like that. I got this glossy leather, which isn't terrible. I just buy a lot of suede. That's just what I'm into. You don't get to pick with this pair, you just gotta take what you get. Yeah, so we got some silver lettering back here on my salty pair of off-white dunks, made in Vietnam, looks like. It's salty because it's not suede. Like, I'm still upset about that. So there we go. We got our pink, our lime green, our burgundy. Yeah, they're kind of shaped a little bit wonky. The right side, it's like the sole is bubbling underneath, which is really weird. I don't understand what's going on with that. Maybe they stuffed it too full of paper. Paper is pretty tight in there. I don't know. What do you guys think about this green? And it says shoelaces on there, of course. This pull tab, you can barely see on this burgundy pull tab, but it does say lot 8 of 50. It's actually a lot easier to see in the film than in person. It's nearly impossible. Like, it doesn't say anything, honestly, but I'm really not feeling this colorway at all. I'm very salty, but I hate surprises. I'm not good with surprises, so I shouldn't have expected these to be ones that I would like. I mean, other than this trash colorway, this little tab is a great color. These can be changed, so I can make this dirty lime green, something else. Burgundy, I mean, the burgundy tongue, something I have to live with. I have to live with the burgundy, with the orange, with the pink. So, come on, Virgil. What the fuck are you doing with these colors? This is not as good as I was hoping, but okay, we're just gonna move on because yeah, you guys can enjoy some footage of the shoes. Let's go to that. now we're gonna get into the Supreme Week 1 Fall Winter 2021. The very first drop. What did I grab? I wanted those pink undies. Those were kind of cool, but I wasn't quick enough. I got a couple of Supreme stickers. Looks like I got the Supreme, whoops, box logo. And then I also got the spaghetti box logo. 2.5 pounds of spaghetti right there. Find recipe inspiration at supremenewyork.com. Yeah, right. Don't do that, it won't work. Their website, it won't have any recipes. But anyways, here's a little mini deck of cards. There it is. Nice and gorgeous and beautiful and super tiny. Nothing there, just super tiny bicycle playing cards. Now we have the shirt after all that. I did grab the Rick Rubin. Yeah, that guy, here he is. That's his face. Yeah, that's what he looks like. That's the man. And here's the little plastic. Yeah, there's your sticker label on the plastic. I'm just gonna leave this sealed. I don't want to open it up yet. Here's your label on the back of the neck. And the back of the label. Yeah. So anyways, Mark Rubin has some great life choices and viewpoints. Just, I don't know, you gotta look him up. I can't really remember that well off the top of my head. I mean, but I liked his views, and so I thought I'd get that shirt. And plus, whenever Supreme does like a portrait one with somebody wearing with Supreme shirts, I don't know, I just think that's fire. I think that's kind of cool. Had to get the portrait tee. But now I'm opening up the crossover pants from the Travis Scott drop. And nice, these pants are actually not going to be super thick or anything. That is perfect because I am transferring to Hawaii. I'm going to not have very much money over there, so I don't know what this channel is going to turn into or what my life is going to look like besides working and surfing. But these pants might be something I can wear over there. This giant Travis Scott bag, or yeah, Cactus Jack bag, I guess we should call it. I've never seen a bag like this, I don't think, before. I think I would have remembered it. But yeah, it's just all cloudy. Got some warning information on the back. On the front, there is a little sticker tag at the bottom corner. So I've got a little info on that sticker tag. And then the zip on here. It's a nice zip. You know. And here we go. Oh, they're nylon. That's dope. Okay, and then they put like a million of these moisture reducers in there. That'll be nice when I have to ship stuff to Hawaii. Here's the back. So on the back of there, you have this weird ass shape, this X with a little circle there. Maybe it's supposed to be reminiscent of something. You guys tell me. Maybe it's a dude. Maybe it's a character. Do you see that? Like his arms and his legs and his head? Okay. And on the front, we have Cactus Cross T430 Performance that glows. Then we have this rubber. This is actually really cool. This little rubber tag on here. It's like really raised nicely. But cool little hint there. And then on the other leg, we have Performance TX crossover by Cactus Jack. Oh, C and then an arrow pointing to this J. I think that's what that's supposed to be. But this is so bright. This red is so bright against this brown. It's literally hard to look at. That's how intense it is. And then on the back of the leg, you do have this embroidered Cactus Jack. Yeah. Stitched in there real nice. And then in the leg, you do have a zipper, so you got a zipper all the way down. These are like riding pants, legit. These are like rain pants. I wonder if this stuff is actually waterproof. That would be amazing. For Hawaii, like, come on, rain pants, literally. Alright, so you can zip down your leg and then Velcro it over. I think what I'll do is I will throw these on real quick, but first I'll show you the little tag here on the back. We have our tag on the back of the pants. What does that say? Yeah. See, these pockets are kind of cool. They're just zipper pockets, but they're mesh, so they go on the inside. Let me show you guys the size tag and off the mod, because it does have a little M there for medium, and then our care instructions. You do see they are 100% nylon. And more care instructions. There you go. Yeah, sorry, my fingers are all beat up because I'm a mailman. I mean, this doesn't say waterproof, was kind of sad, but whatever. I'm just gonna throw them on and let's check out. Actually, these are supposed to be like overpants, right? So why don't I just wear them over my sweats? I'll just undo the zippers and everything. I actually have some Gore-Tex pants that are just like this, like the same exact construction that I use for work, for the post office. They have like this whole zipper thing so you can get your boot in there or whatever. And these are like, you can literally, if it was like a warm day, you could just wear sweats and then wear these over top for like snowboarding or something, or even on a colder day, just wear something thicker, I guess. But these would actually be like really, really chill for like a hot day even. It wouldn't be super hot. Like right now, they're probably pretty warm. I mean, I'm layered up ready for snow right now, basically. Yeah, some nice overpants. I think these ran at like 150 bucks or something like that. I don't know if they match with my off-white dunks. I really don't know what is gonna match with these. I know I can match something with them. I'm just, like I said, very salty because I wanted suede. I just feel like this leather just gets dirty faster. Like the suede, when it gets dirty and roughed up, I think it looks cooler. Okay, I should probably get off of this soapbox here. Oh, here's the underside of the off-white box. Look at that. All right, well, anyways, you guys let me know what you think. Let me know what you copped from the Supreme drop. And then the dunks, you do want to make sure you order these true to size or half size up because they can fit a little bit small. The lows are, I feel like, are a little bit bigger than the highs. The highs, I definitely have to order a size up. The lows, I just go true to size. Actually, I've been trying to order a size 11, but these ones, I just did a 10.5 because I was trying to like click through fast, and that was the one that's auto-saved on my account, so yeah. Thanks Nike for hooking it up. I'm gonna try and trade these to somebody, I guess. Yeah, this is not the color I wanted, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was insightful for you. And if you're like, oh, I can't believe you can't just be thankful for what you have. Well, I mean, yeah, I'm thankful for them, so I'm just gonna sell them for resale, whatever. I mean, honestly, right now I do need money for Hawaii, so yeah, it's kind of nice to have something that maybe you don't like that much that you can just sell and get rid of it. Because some stuff I sell and I'm like, oh no, I'm so sad. I know I can't be like that. I gotta really be focused on trading stuff around, getting things cycled through. Because if I just stockpile, that's not good. It's already kind of happening. So I'm gonna get to work. Just try to get everything ready for getting out of town in the next few months. So hope you all are doing well. Stay positive, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.